I invite you now to find a comfortable position in your seats. Take a deep breath and just relax. Slowly relieve any tension from your body. Let go of anything you may be holding on to, physically or emotionally. Let go of any attachment to the outcome of anything you may be hoping for. Know that every thought is a prayer. So I invite you to only allow those thoughts to remain that are of your best and highest good. Take another deep breath and relax even more. Bring to mind a kindness that you have received as if it just happened. Feel the smile on your face and the warmth down in your soul. That feeling of joy. Now I invite you to bring to mind a kindness that you have shown. Remember it as if it just happened yesterday. See the smile on the other person's face. Feel the joy you felt deep down in your soul. Now hold that feeling in your heart space. Continue to breathe. Continue to sit restfully and breathe, acknowledging all the kindness that you've experienced and the opportunities that you've practiced giving of yourself without expecting anything in return. Reverend Wendy Craig Purcell of San Diego writes, "Just for today, I practice actively acknowledging kindness." So when someone does something that you appreciate, rather than just to automatically say, "Thank you," pause, make eye contact, and say, "Thank you for your kindness. It makes a difference." Please join me in this affirmation and take this with you throughout the day and throughout the week. I will repeat it once and then I'll ask you to join me. Today, I will commit one random act of senseless kindness. Together, today, I will commit one random act of senseless kindness.
Do not be afraid, I am with you. I have called you each by name. Come and walk with me. I love you, and you are mine.
And so it is. Amen.
From an old Gaelic rune, these words: I saw a stranger yestreen. I put food in the eating place, drink in the drinking place, music in the listening place. And in the sacred name of the Triune, he blessed myself, he blessed my house, he blessed my cattle, and my dear ones. And the lark said in her song, often, often goes love in the stranger's guise.
I saw a stranger